Welcome to the Jerry and
Dr. Laura Show, sponsored by
the Auto Shop.
And we're here in beautiful Plano, Texas. And you can check us out online at www.theautoshop.com.
And make sure that you subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and more importantly, bring
us your cars.
You can give us a call at 972-578-0588. And we will be happy to take care of you Monday through Friday. Maybe even Saturday some days if I can talk them into it. So often, as if you've ever been in a service-based business and you get a review, sometimes the reviews are, we never look forward to somebody complaining, but sometimes we get really good thank you cards. So I want to read this one to you. She says, I seldom write, but I want you to know how grateful I am to you for taking care of every issue I've had with my car over the years. Isn't that awesome? Over the years.
That. Yep.
Never doubt that it will be done with expertise. Thankful also that you keep track of timely maintenance checks for me, and so I don't miss those critical upkeeps. Sincerely, Margaret McFarland. So,
thank you, Margaret. We appreciate you very much.
Yeah, we appreciate all of our customers. The truth of it is we enjoy being here. We enjoy our customers. And
you tell me sometimes I enjoy it too much.
Yeah,
I don't want to go home some days.
He's at the counter talking with the customers. So just make sure that you bring your vehicles in, say hi, and we have our little turkeys this month. It's the little turkey. It's actually a lollipop inside there. So it's a little, is it a Tootsie Pop?
I don't know. You'll have to find out when you come in.
Yes. It's a surprise.
And they're all different. I will say they're all different flavors.
They're all different flavors. So come on in, bring us your cars, and enjoy the...
Hey, before you get off, I want to, before you shut this down, I want to just say something.
Okay.
Shh. If you tell us that you're a sucker for the auto shop, we'll give you a free battery inspection. I'm going to do that at no charge. As the weather is getting is changing, your batteries will just die on you with zero warning.
Just like that.
And we don't want that to happen to you. So tell us. Come on in, tell us you're a sucker for the auto shop, and we'll be happy to give you the free battery inspection.
It comes with this really cool little report and everything. It tells you the life of your battery and all this really good stuff. So come on in. We look forward to seeing you. And we have good coffee, too. So
that's right. And set the appointment at www.theautoshop.com or call us, and we'll be happy to fit it in really quickly.
Yep. Good to see you.
All right. Bye, everybody.